Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how you can fix Instagram Reels lagging. It could be because of your internet, but there's another option you can use to make it better. So let's go ahead and open the app. So at the bottom right, you will see your profile icon. We have to go ahead and click that. Once we're here, we have to click the three lines on the top right. So basically there's a setting on Instagram that uses less of your internet, but that makes your Reels lag. So we're going to turn that setting off. So you have to scroll down and find data usage and media quality. And this data saver was off for me, but it's probably turned on for you. So you have to turn it off. So now Instagram will not try to use less of your internet, but it will use as much as it can and give you the best quality possible for every reel and post. And hopefully the reels should not lag now. And you're done. That's how you fix lagging reels on Instagram. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.